Hey guys, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how we can sign up our UMPQUA Bank account. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be updated with our new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the web browser and search UMPQUA Bank Sign In. Next, you'll see this link. First link, you have to click on that and click on login. Next, you'll see haven't signed up for online banking, start here. You have to click on start here. Which will lead you to this page. Now select which kind of account you want, personal, business or credit card. If you want personal account, you have to click on go here from personal checking savings money. Now UMPQUA Bank will ask for your personal information like security number, tax ID and your account information. After entering all of them, you have to click on continue. There are few steps which you have to follow while signing up your account. After following all of those steps and filling up with the information, your account will be signed up. So, this is how you sign up your UMPQUA Bank account. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.